My name is Jerome B. Feliciano. This is my report about prevention of toxicity. We have two objectives. First, identify the different types of poison and poisoning. Second, discuss ways the elimination of poison in the body. Next is type of poison and poisoning. First, animal poison. For example, natuklaw ka ng cobra. Ito ay makamandag at nakakalason. So, dapat agaban agad dahil ito ay delikado. Next is plant of poison. Madalas ito nakikita sa kagubatan. Next is microbial poison. Ito ay nasa paligid lang natin like air pollution na nakakasama sa kalusugan natin pag lagi nating itong nalalanghap. Next is synthetic. Ito yung mga gamot na pag sobrahan tayo, ito ay delikado sa ating kalusugan. Sign and symptoms and poisoning. Ito ay mga senyales na ikaw ay nalason tulad ng breathing difficulties, dizziness, stomach pain, drowsiness, vomiting, and being sick. Pag nararamdaman mo na siya, senyales na ito para ikaw ay magpa-check up dahil maaari ka ng malason. How can be someone poisoned? First is swallowing it. For example, yung bata may nakain na gamot. Posibleng malason siya. Second is breathing it. For example, may bad chemical kang nasingot sa paligid. Pwede itong makasama sa ating katawan. Third, absorb it by the skin. For example, may nadigit o may nahawakan tayong chemical. Posible tayong magka-rashes o magka-allergic. Fourth, is injecting it. For example, allergic ka sa chemical sa pagtatato. Posible kang malason dito. In my last slide, conscious and unconscious situation. In conscious patient po, first it call for a help and consult for doctor. And also, tanangin ng pasyente kung ano ang nararamdaman. Tulungan sa pagsakay sa ambulansya. In unconscious patient po, also call a doctor or help and consult them. And wipe their mouth para maiwasan ang pagkalat ng lason. At i-check ang responsiveness niya at possible bigyan ng CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation to help them. This is my report in this lesson. God bless always and keep safe.